All right, this is trig 5, number 10. It says, for each trig ratio, identify all possible values of theta that would make the statement true. Assume theta is measured in radians between 0 and 2 pi. And the identity is the cosine of theta is negative square root of 2 over 2. All right, so first thing you want to kind of think about is, all right, based on the values that you memorized, what angle has a cosine equal to the square root of 2 over 2? Ignore the negative for a moment. Well, I know that at 45 degrees, the cosine of 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. But it didn't ask me in degrees, it asked me in radians. So I also know that pi over 4 is going to be the same thing as 45 degrees in radians. So now I know that. And then, but this isn't positive square root of 2 over 2. This is negative square root of 2 of 2. So if you remember, all students take calculus, there are two places in the unit circle, if I drew a circle around this, where the cosine is negative. So the cosine would be negative in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 3. So I know that if this is going to be pi over 4 in quadrant 1, then this would be 1. Well, then this here would have to be 4 pi over 4, because if I go all the way around, it'd be 4 pi over 4. So I know that this would be 3 pi over 4. So one of the answers would be 3 pi over 4. That's where the cosine would be negative square root of 2 over 2. And the other place that it would be negative would be over here. So if this is 4 pi over 4, if I go one more, this would be 5 pi over 4. So the two places where the cosine would be equal to negative square root of 2 over 2 would be at 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4.